Hey guys, this is Media Center PC build part 2.5. I ran into a bit of a problem with my build, so I had to basically what happened is the laptop hard drives that I was using actually died on me, so I couldn't use them. I had to go out and get a new hard drive, and for the sake of dependability and durability, I went with Western Digital 2 terabyte green hard drive, you know, something just efficient. Of course, because it's a much bigger hard drive, getting it back there was a task. It was actually quite difficult. I almost had to remove almost everything just to get this hard drive here. Let me see if I can flip it around for you guys here. So the hard drive is now sitting along this way like this. It's actually a thick, big, bulky thing, and I don't know if you can see it, but it actually is crammed really tight up in there, and it actually hits against the radiator a little bit there, which is okay. It's not going to damage it or hurt it. It's not in any way that it's going to affect it. So that's the only spot I could actually fit the hard drive, because you can see it's pretty thick there. It was the only place I could really squeeze it in there. There's not room over here. Normally the larger 3.5 inch hard drives would lay down flat here, or they would go flat here where the Blu-ray drive fits. There's plenty of space. You can fit actually 2 SSD drives in the space that takes this, and then another one at the bottom, and then 2 more down here, and then 2 down there. But if you are intending to using an optical drive like I am, since this is a Media Center PC, it kind of takes up all the space that would normally be for the big bulky hard drives like that. And because I have the push-pull configuration also. In the future, I do intend to use this PC for gaming, so I wanted to leave enough room and enough cooling for discrete graphics card later on. But for now, it's just going to be mainly for media and some very light gaming. Anyways, so now let's move on. Hopefully I can get it fired up and Windows installed, and we can get going with the next part of the build. I'll talk to you guys soon.